Yep. What the fuck was I thinking? Oh my god. So there was a cupboard there. I don't know if y'all remember. There's a cupboard here too. Oh, we had Domino's last night. Thanks, Domino's. Cupboard here. It's gonna be all subway tile and then some shelving. Oh my god, my poor stove. Oh yeah, and a hole in the wall over there. Lots of work. What the fuck was I thinking? James is not impressed. Not impressed at all. Hey guys, what's up and welcome to EPIC Confections. Well, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and let y'all know that there won't be a video this week. Tigra, she's upset too. Don't cry. Because whilst we're in quarantine, I got this crazy idea to do some kitchen renovations. As you can see behind me, I know, I'm nuts. I don't know what I'm thinking. James is pissed. But you know, when you just get something stuck in your head, you have to do it. That's just me. So I had to rip out all of our tiling and take off some of our cupboards because I wanted shelving. But I mean, hey, it's the perfect time, right? Because we're in quarantine, nothing else to do. But I do apologize for not being able to do a video this week. We will definitely be back soon to do some quarantine baking with Mark and James or make some epic cakes. You never know. But yeah, I just wanted to touch base and just see how all of you guys are doing through this craziness right now. Leave a comment below and let me know how you're passing the time. As you can see, I'm renovating. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what we're doing right now. It is total chaos. But I mean, see, James is not used to this, right? I'm used to this. My dad is a contractor, so, you know, he would buy houses and fix them up and we would live in this renovation mess, and I'm used to it, so. Usually creative people are messy anyway. I do like to keep a nice, tidy house, but as of right now, it is not. Anyway, I miss you guys. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy.